Our school recognizes that the labor shortage in the cooking industry in Japan is a very important issue. Utilizing digital tools will be an essential skill in the industry moving forward. I will talk about my enthusiasm for today. We will do our best to serve good food to our customers promptly, while asking ourselves what is something only we can do. We always operate with an awareness of the warmth of humanity and the ability to notice the things that our customers are struggling with precisely because it has been a good learning experience. I am in charge of the appetizers. I want our guests to leave with until the very end. I will provide the best dish I can make. Working together with robots. Since robots have limited movement compared to humans, I was in charge of the appetizers, so I had to be mindful of robots' movement paths while plating. I was conscious of not blocking the path of the robot by understanding the robot's movement lines. Our human operations proceeded smoothly. The service was successfully completed. I will do my best. We will enjoy ourselves as well. We received encouragement from customers that the robot is cutting edge. Very happy. Descriptions of the dishes are in a restaurant. It might be good in the future if robots can provide additional explanations. Customers might also enjoy being served by robots. Above all, we think about our customers. I believe that is the most important thing. We will do our best to ensure our customers are satisfied. The humor and the appearance of the robot brighten the atmosphere of the restaurant. I thought this was a really great aspect. In today's world, the capabilities of robots are limited, so they naturally serve in a supportive role to humans. I believe that in the future, which will expand the range of services. It's very beneficial for us students to have using robots at school, especially for future chefs. I think it's an invaluable experience that is hard to replace. We are not just leaving it to robots, but actively utilizing them. Who are human, we want to take action actively. Collaboration projects between humans and robots. I want to do my best to create stories that resonate with people. In the future, robots will become increasingly familiar to us. We also want to prepare for such a world. However, we want to prioritize the hospitality that involves human interaction above all else. I believe that hospitality cannot be replaced by robots. Leave the work to the robots. I believe it is important for humans to provide high-quality service and cuisine that is characteristic of humanity. I hope that the labor shortage in restaurants will be resolved in the future. We at the school will also do our best to keep up with the times. I believe it is very important to constantly introduce new and provide them to students. I want to incorporate the flexible ideas of the students as much as possible and run high-quality classes. I felt that way again this time. I hope you have high expectations for the school from now on. It ended safely. It went better than last time. I was praised by the teacher as well. It feels great. I was able to serve all the dishes. It's perfect.